In this video, we're going to build on what we learned about earlier with text-to-speech and think about taking some text input and breaking it into pieces. So this is a really common type of processing that programs need to do. So the goal of this app is going to be to say how many words were spoken in the text recognizer. So we're going to go to Create New App. I'm going to call this Word Counter. Like so. And what we'll do is we're going to put a button, and this is going to be the button. Let's get to listen to us. I'm going to go ahead and name it the listen button. Then we will add a speech recognizer. And so that, of course, is an invisible component. Then we're going to add a label to display how many words we hear. And so that will go right here. It doesn't really need any initial text. So let's go down into the blocks, and I'm going to rename that label to be num words. Okay, so let's go into the blocks and click on my listen button. When my listen button is clicked, I want my speech recognizer to kick in. And so it's going to listen, and then when it's done, the value is the text that it finds. So now what we want to do is find out like how many words are in it, right? So in order to do this, what we can do is, oops, not quite the block I was looking for. Let's try that again. So find, actually, I think this might be wrong. Oh, no, just finds the first occurrence. We're just going to find out if it's one word or more than one word. Actually, that's going to be a lot simpler than what I originally had in mind. Let's just go with that. The multiple word version, maybe we'll do that in a future video. So we're just going to see, is there one word or multiple words? And if there are multiple words, what's going to happen is that there will be a space character somewhere in the text. So to this end, what we'll do is we're going to use an if block. And in this if block, we're going to compare, actually, we find the first occurrence. Actually, we're going to use this block. Does it contain a space rather than the first occurrence? This is what we actually want. So we're going to move this up here, and we'll say if value, the text we read, contains a space. So I type a space character here. One space just like that. They're not terribly easy to see, admittedly, but if you see that the cursor is in the middle rather than all the way on the left, you know you've typed a space. So if that happens, then our num words label will set the text to say, oh, I already had a text box there for me. So we'll set the text to say multiple words. Now, what if it doesn't? Well, then we're going to put in an else, and then we will say, oops, num words label, set the text to one word, like so. And then we'll make that little box go away by clicking the gear. So now I'm going to try this out on my phone. So I'm opening up my phone, and I am looking for the word counter app. So now I click listen. Hello. And it says one word. Hi there. Hi there. It's still claiming one word. How are you today? Okay, that time it picked up multiple words. Sometimes it can get a little confused, right? Because if you say just two words together, it can kind of munge them together. Let me try it again. I am testing this app. Okay, it says multiple words. App, one word. So, as is often the case, anytime you're doing voice recognition, it's just not always going to work absolutely perfectly. But it can work pretty well a lot of the time and consequently do some interesting stuff. So, this is sort of a beginning introduction to thinking about processing text. You can see that there are lots and lots of options here. You can find out how long it is. You can get substrings. You can split it at various points. So there's quite a lot that we can do. And this provides just a little introduction to the process of understanding text. So have fun with it.